In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file and run GST on Xero. By the end, you'll know how to open the GST reconciliation report, set the right period, refresh the figures, and make careful adjustments to GST collected and paid, so your return is accurate and audit ready. Start by opening Xero and heading to Reporting. This is the hub for all your financial and tax insights. From there, go into All Reports. Viewing the full list makes it straightforward to locate the exact GST report you need without hunting through menus. Use the search field and type GST. That will filter the report list quickly. Select GST Reconciliation. This report pulls together your GST on sales and purchases, reconciles those amounts against your GST control account, and highlights any differences you may need to review before you file. At the top of the report, set your from and to dates to match your filing period. Double check these dates carefully. Using the wrong period is one of the most common causes of discrepancies. It also helps to ensure your bank reconciliations and transaction coding are up to date before you proceed, so the report reflects the true position for the period. Once your dates are correct, click Update. Xero will refresh the report with the latest figures for that time frame. Review the summary and the detailed breakdowns. You should see totals for GST collected on sales and GST paid on expenses, along with movements that explain how the balance has changed. If you identify a valid timing difference or a minor rounding variance on the sales side, you can edit the GST collected figure within the reconciliation area to record an appropriate adjustment. Only make changes you can support with documentation, such as a credit note or a properly approved journal, so your audit trail stays clear. Likewise, if there's a legitimate adjustment on the purchases side, you can edit the GST paid figure. Keep notes that describe why the change was required and tie every adjustment back to a source document. After any edits, review the reconciliation again to confirm the net GST payable or refundable aligns with your expectations for the period. Common issues to watch for include transactions coded with the wrong tax rate, expenses missing a tax rate entirely, or invoices dated outside your filing period. If something looks off, pause, correct the underlying entries, and click Update to refresh the report. When everything reconciles and the totals make sense, you're ready to use these figures to complete your GST filing in line with your local requirements. Following this workflow, each cycle builds consistency and confidence in your GST process on Xero.